So it's actually not just a GM LS engine problem. Most engines nowadays, they have the cast iron manifold as well as an aluminum cylinder head. So when there's a difference of materials, as your exhaust manifold heats up, the thread that's in your manifold versus the thread that's in your head, they'll be stretched at different rates. So the stress carried within the bolt actually increases at a different rate than the aluminum, which causes that difference. And over time, through thermal cycling, they'll break. So OEM does have a cast iron manifold as well. They do have thinner wall thickness. We have a 1/4 inch wall thickness on these manifolds. I believe factory is a little bit under 3/16, as well as we have a much thicker flange. The big thing we do include is actually updated fasteners with spacers. That's how we help to control the amount of stress in the fastener, is by elongating the fastener we use. So the stress is carried over a much longer distance. So these manifolds in particular are a stock flowing manifold. We've done a lot of testing to make sure that they do not flow excessively more or excessively less. They're within less than 8% of factory performance. Because a lot of people, when they're looking for performance, specifically from our manifolds, they're not looking for like flow performance, they're looking for durability. They want something that's able to handle what they're currently doing. Like they have a stock truck, their manifold is failing. They don't need more performance. They need a more durable, longer lasting product. Short answer version, yes. Long answer, with respect to how they work, typically if you're driving like towing more or you're driving in more aggressive ways, your exhaust temperatures will increase to higher numbers than a regular person. Say you have someone that does just daily driving around the city, your exhaust temperatures aren't going to get super high because you're not stressing it a lot. Someone who's towing all the time, pulling up hills, your EGTs are going to climb, and that will stress the manifold and its fasteners more. But to the extent, I can't give you a straightforward answer.